Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable and customize live captions on Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. Click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Accessibility. Then click on Captions. You can make your device easier to use without sound by displaying audio as text. You can change style like white font, black, small caps, large text, yellow on blue. Also, you can edit from here. You can change color as your choice. You can change background. You can change window. You can change opacity. You can change text. So this way you can enable and customize live captions on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.